hope you guys are all doing good. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own hand sanitizer. So it's actually really easy. All you need are 2 ingredients. So the first is alcohol, and then the next is this little plant called, let's see, zoom in, it's called savila, or in English it's aloe vera. And what you're going to want to do is take out that inside jelly part. So start off by obviously cutting it from the plant first, and then you're going to want to cut off like the thorns. So just be very careful, guys. Ask for parent assistance if you need help like cutting this. Okay, I'm gonna cut that other part off. Cool. You can just peel it off. Yeah, just peel it off to avoid like cutting yourself. Start with the outside corners. Look at that. You know, guys, actually this is really good if you guys ever have like sunburn or like a rash or with acne. Like aloe vera is just the best with everything. Okay, so then let's go ahead and peel off the other part. Okay, so you're gonna be left, wait, I don't wanna drop it. Ugh. You're gonna be left with this like clear jelly thing, and you're gonna blend it, pop it in the blender, just get everything. You're gonna wanna blend it till it looks like this like saliva, thin liquid, no pulp. Okay, guys, and ask your mom before borrowing her licuadora, please. She's probably looking for it, and you guys are over here making hand sanitizer with it. So now our aloe vera, let's unplug that. Now our aloe vera is more of like a more liquidy-ish. So it kind of turned a little foamy. I don't know if that was supposed to happen. But you know what, that's okay. Okay, so we have our little, oh yeah, perfect. So now you see it's like kind of like liquidy-ish. That's perfect. Okay, so it smells a little peculiar. But you know what, that's okay. Once we add the alcohol, that's gonna change. So the YouTube tutorial said to put like 2 cups, but we're not gonna make that much. So we're just gonna make a little bit just for one. Oh yeah, I almost dropped it. Just to put like for one. 2, 3. There we go. We're starting to see that, let's see, we're starting to see that more like watery hand sanitizer look. And I mean, you guys can check on it by like touching it. By touching it, you'll see. Okay, guys, I think we achieved the perfect hand sanitizer. So in the end, it was 3 cucharadas de alcohol with one leaf of the aloe vera, the savila. So, okay, now it's time for the test. Let's see how our hand sanitizer worked out. So we'll get a cucharada. That was my stomach growling. Gonna make sure you guys scrub the back of your hand, in between the fingers. Just get it all over. Wow. Have you ever seen cleaner hands? I don't think so. Cool, guys. So that was a success. If you guys want to save your hand sanitizer, maybe find like an empty bottle, or you know how they have like those little travel size shampoos? That could work too. Just pour it in there, and then you have your little hand sanitizer to go. I hope to see you guys real soon on our next tutorial. If you guys have any suggestions on what our next tutorial should be, or if you want to film yourself doing a tutorial, go ahead and let me know. DM us for more info. Comment down below what other tutorials you guys want to see. Maybe you guys want to see like a little makeup tutorial or like a toilet paper tutorial. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys real soon. Bye. Miss you.